Here are 25 side dish recipes to elevate your meals: garlic parmesan, roasted Brussels sprouts, creamy mashed potatoes, roasted garlic asparagus, lemon herb quinoa, honey glazed carrots, balsamic roasted vegetables, caprese salad skewers, creamy coleslaw, baked sweet potato fries, Greek salad, green bean almondine, roasted beet and goat cheese salad, buttered corn on the cob, classic Caesar salad, sautéed garlic, green beans, crispy Parmesan zucchini fries, tomato, basil, mozzarella salad, rice pilaf with cranberries and almonds, stuffed bell peppers with quinoa and black beans, creamy garlic, Parmesan orzo, roasted butternut squash with cinnamon, classic macaroni and cheese, grilled pineapple slices, herbed roasted potatoes, cucumber salad with dill. These recipes offer a variety of flavors and textures, perfect for complementing any main dish. Enjoy!
Welcome to Brewed Content with Ms. Coffee. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe today.